stop scrolling. Do you want to speak English every day with confidence? Then stay with me. Today you will learn 100 useful English sentences. These are simple sentences. Native speakers use them every day. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Do not worry about mistakes. Just enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you. What about you? I am happy to see you. Have a nice day. It is a beautiful morning. I woke up early today. I need to get ready. I will brush my teeth first. Now I will wash my face. I need to take a shower. What should I wear? Today, this shirt looks nice. I am ready to go. Let's eat breakfast. I'm very hungry. Would you like some tea? I prefer coffee today. This food is delicious. Can I have some water, please? Thank you very much. It is time to leave. Let's go. I am going to work. I am going to school. Please drive carefully. Have a safe trip. See you later. Have a wonderful day. I have arrived at work. I have arrived at school. What are you doing? I'm studying English. I am learning something new today. Can you help me? Of course. I am happy to help. I do not understand. Can you say that again? Please speak more slowly. I understand now. That is a good idea. I agree with you. I do not think so. No problem. Take your time. Everything is okay. Do not worry. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Practice every day. Small steps make big progress. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. I am a little busy. I will call you later. Let's have lunch together. What would you like to eat? I would like some rice and chicken. This tastes amazing. I am full now. Thank you for the meal. How was your day? My day was great. I learned many new things. I am proud of myself. I am feeling tired. I need a short break. Let's take a deep breath. Feel better now. What are your plans for today? I will finish my work. Then I will go home. I like spending time with my family. They always make me smile. What do you like to do? I enjoy reading books. I also like listening to podcasts. Music helps me relax. I love learning English. Practice makes perfect. Every day is a new chance. Never give. Keep moving forward. Mistakes help us learn. I am getting better every day. That makes me happy. Can we meet tomorrow? What time should we meet? Let's meet at 10 o'clock. That sounds perfect. I will be there on time. Please don't be late. I am waiting for you. Thank you for coming. It was nice to see you. I had a great time. Let's do it again soon. Have a safe journey home. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Keep smiling. Keep practicing. I am almost home. I am happy to be here. Today was a good day. I learned something useful. I feel more confident now. English is becoming easier. I will keep practicing. I will never give up. Tomorrow is another new day. I am excited for tomorrow. Let's make a new plan. I have enough time. Everything will be fine. Stay positive. Keep smiling. Be kind to everyone. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. See you again soon. Have a wonderful evening. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning English every day. Shadowing practice. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you. I am learning English every day. Practice makes perfect. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I will keep improving. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep believing in yourself. Please, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.